All right, guys, this is question number 6 from the 2018 AB exam. And in this one, you're given a differential equation, this guy, and you're given, there's a picture of a bunch of tick marks. That's a slope field. And it says the slope field is given, sketch the solution curve that passes through the point 0, 2 and the one that passes through 1, 0. So, and those points are like marked for you on those axes. So I didn't draw the tick marks on mine, but literally all you do for like the one that's going through 0, 2, like you put your pencil on 0, 2 and just follow the tick marks in both directions and it makes a straight line. And then same idea for the one at 1, 0, you put your pencil at 1, 0 and just like let the tick marks guide you this way and then let the tick marks guide you that way. And it looks like that. Part B, let y equal f of x be the particular solution to the given differential equation with initial condition f of 1 equals 0. Write a tangent line equation at x equals 1 and then use it to approximate f of 0.7. We've definitely done this before. You know your coordinates 1, 0. You need your slope, so you got to evaluate the derivative at 1, 0. So where you see x, you put a 1. Where you see 0, or where you see y, you put a 0. So that's like 1/3 times 1 times 4, basically. So there's your 4/3. Okay, there's your point slope. Now it's cleaned up, and you're supposed to use that to approximate f of 0.7. So you plug a 0.7 in where you see x, and 0.7 minus 1 is negative 0.3. Okay, so a negative 0.3 is the same thing as negative 3/10. Okay, and then you can say that's negative 12/30 and simplify it. I cross-canceled and said, well, 4/10 is 2/5. However you do your arithmetic is fine. The answer is negative 2/5 though. All right. Part C, find the particular solution y equals f of x to the given differential with the initial condition f of 1 equals 0. So you get your y's with your dy's and your x's with your dx's. So I multiplied both sides by dx, divided both sides by y minus 2 squared, puts me to here. You know you have to integrate, so bring that guy upstairs. Okay. Put a big S in front of both sides. All right, fine. Integrate it, bumps up to negative 1. So 1 divided by negative 1 is negative 1. That's happening here, okay? That's x squared, now it's 1/6. So now I'm here, fine. Just to make it easier to plug in, I put him back downstairs. That's what that's about, that's all I did. Okay, you wanna find C. So they told you that f of 1 was equal to 0. So I'm just like plugging and chugging. So that's a 0, and that's a 1. Okay, do your arithmetic, you get 1/3 for C. And now where I saw C, I just replace it with 1/3. Okay, you got to get y by yourself. So hopefully you noticed that like y minus 2 is a package down here and this stuff is over here. So I just did the switchy switch right there. Multiply both sides by y minus 2, divide both sides by that 1/6 x squared plus 1/3 stuff. Puts me to here. Okay, add 2 to both sides. And now I've got it by itself. I think you could leave your answer here. It's not good form. I don't love it. But if you're nervous about simplifying it, then just leave it here. To simplify it, though, all you got to do really is get a common denominator down here. So that basically says x squared over 6, and that's like 2 over 6, right? So that's what it would be together. It's still x squared over 6. It's still 1/3. And then he just flips over. It's like 1 over 1 over and flip and multiply. And you get 2 minus 6 over x squared plus 2. So that's a prettier answer, but again, if you're running out of time, you're like not that comfortable doing it, leave it here. All right.